How to get your YouTube marketing videos on the first page of search results in 2019 and 2020. Did you know that you can rank a YouTube marketing video on the first page of search results right after you publish it? There's a lot of competition on YouTube, and it can be quite hard to get the exposure you need to grow. But with this powerful trick, you'll be able to outrank all the other videos targeting the same keywords you do. Let's start by uploading a video to YouTube. Click on the camera icon on the top right corner, and then click on the Upload Video option. Now click on Select Files to upload. Locate the video that you're going to upload and double-click on it. Your video will start uploading, and you can optimize it while it processes. So let's do that now. Optimizing the video title. Start with the video title. An optimized video title has to be at least 5 words long, and it has to include high-volume search terms and keywords in your niche, as well as the name of your brand, product, or service. Type your video title in the title field. In this example, we are going to enter a high search volume term in our target niche, followed by our main target keyword. Now, to help the YouTube and Google search algorithms to better understand the relevance of your video, you have to add a video keyword to the title. Video keywords are keywords that YouTube ranks higher because they're targeted by the most popular videos uploaded to the site. Video keywords that we recommend you to use include review, how-to, tips, tutorial, cute, funny, and keywords related to fitness, sports, health, and lifestyle niches. In our example, we are going to strategically include 2 video keywords at the end of our video title. The tips keyword followed by a hyphen, followed by the tutorial keyword. This way, we will make our video appear on searches that target any of the 2 video keywords. Optimizing the description. Now you have to optimize the description. Here you simply have to insert your website URL first, and then to add a brief description that includes your highest volume search term and your main target keywords. Make your description up to 250 characters or shorter. This helps the Google algorithm to index the video more quickly. Adding tags. Search engines scan tags to index and rank your videos. The best way to add tags is by adding the search terms and keywords with the highest search volumes in the tags field. Publishing your video. Now that you have processed and optimized your video, you just have to click on the Publish button. Verifying your ranking. YouTube videos are ranked immediately. This is because the YouTube and Google algorithms give a very high priority to video content uploaded to the platform. You can check how high your video ranked on search results right after you publish it. Type 1 or more of the keywords and search terms that you targeted in your video title into the search bar, and then click on the search icon. As you can see, the video ranked at the top of search results for these search queries. You can also try checking how high you ranked your video over on Google.com. Just enter the same search terms in the Google search bar and hit enter. Here you can see how the video ranked on top of video search results. As you can see, this simple yet powerful trick will allow you to outrank anyone else posting marketing videos in your niche. Complete internet marketing do's and don'ts in 2019 and 2020. Do's. Define your brand's identity. Developing a brand that people will remember and trust is an important part of your complete internet marketing strategy. Delegate and automate. Managing all aspects of a complete internet marketing campaign by yourself can get overwhelming quick. So we recommend you to delegate and automate time-consuming stuff such as social media management. Stay up to date. Digital marketing tools, advertising platforms, and search algorithms are constantly changing and adapting to shifts in technology and laws, so it is important that you stay up to date. Set realistic goals. Set realistic goals according to your budget, the size of your audience, the type of product or service that you are promoting, and the niche that you are targeting. Offer an excellent responsive experience. A lot of your traffic, leads, and customers will reach your marketing channels through mobile, so it is crucial that you develop assets that adapt, at the very least, to the most popular mobile devices to offer an optimal experience. Repurpose content as video. Video marketing increases revenue by as much as 49% when used properly, and because of that, we encourage you to repurpose your most engaging content as video. Advertise. We recommend you to supplement your organic marketing strategies by investing in paid advertising on every campaign. Search ads, display ads, video ads, and social media ads will boost your campaigns and your return on investment. Track your performance. Use tools such as Google Analytics to track, analyze, and benchmark the metrics that are most important to your plan and to your goals. Grow on social media. You can use social media for more than company updates or link sharing. Develop your brand identity on all your social channels and nurture your followers to create a solid fan base for your company. Monitor brand mentions and your niche. Pay attention to what people are saying about your brand and other similar brands in your niche on the internet. This will help you to optimize your efforts according to what your audience wants. Don'ts. Don't sacrifice quality for quantity. You don't have to create a daily blog post or to message people on social media 10 times a day. You just have to set a fixed schedule and release original, high-quality, properly researched, and valuable content pieces to stay relevant. Don't be on every social media platform. You don't have to create a profile on every social media website imaginable to build an audience. You just have to find out what social media platforms best suit your business and focus on sharing highly engaging content on those. Don't ignore the user experience. Don't overwhelm website visitors and email readers with lots of CTA buttons and images. Instead, focus on creating a visual experience that leads users to complete the actions that you want. Don't sell your leads. It might be tempting to squeeze an extra buck out of your leads by selling their email info, but it's always best to respect the privacy of your customers. Don't argue with your audience. You'll also be tempted to argue with online users when you receive a public complaint on social media or when you come across a negative comment on a content piece. But the best approach is to handle all commentary like a professional, by providing a solution and by acknowledging criticism. Don't spam. Don't send too many email updates. Don't overload your social media pages with posts. And don't fill all your videos with adverts. It doesn't help your bottom line and can get you a lot of unfollows and unsubscribes. Don't neglect your communication channels. Make sure to always respond in a timely manner to direct messages, emails, comments, and replies on social media. Otherwise, users will stop engaging with your brand. Don't mislead. Don't promote a product that doesn't work as advertised, or a low-quality service. Likewise, don't use black hat strategies such as link cloaking. Don't overfocus on your brand. Don't spend too much time discussing your brand or business. Instead, focus on what your brand or business offers to the customer and discuss their pain points. Don't be too wordy or complex. Don't drag on with too many technical details or with praise to your brand. Don't write long emails. Your marketing message has to be brief and easy to understand. Creating blog posts that attract organic traffic in 2019 and 2020. Blogging is one of the most important elements of complete internet marketing because it helps you to achieve several goals, such as attracting qualified organic traffic to your website, increasing your site's authority, and improving exposure for your brand. In this lesson, we are going to show you how to create blog posts that will multiply traffic to your site for free. If you're using WordPress like us, start by moving over the Posts tab on the left-hand menu, and then to click on Add New. Step number 1. Writing the headline. Start by composing the post headline by clicking on the Add Title field. The function of a post headline is to grab the attention of users and to rank your site for the keywords that you target with it. we've discovered 3 elements that make a killer headline. Number 1 is a numbered title. Internet users love list articles, and they're easy to create. You simply have to divide the content in your post into numbered entries. For example, if you write a post about complete internet marketing tips, you can divide it into 10 different entries, each entry corresponding to a tip. The number of entries you got is the number you'll add to the beginning of your headline. In this example, we have divided our post into 5 entries, so our headline will start at 5. Number 2, you have to add a long tail keyword that includes a high volume search term. With this trick, you can rank your post on top of searches that target the keywords you include. It also helps users to identify your post in the results. Number 3, you have to add an actionable tease to your headline, such as a promise or a command. The purpose of this text CTA is to make your readers curious, so even if there are 10 other different results targeting the same keywords, users will be more inclined to click on your post. Step number 2, building the content. In this part of the lesson, we are going to show you how to quickly structure a quality blog post. First, create an article that is long, between 2,000 and 3,000 words long. Search engine algorithms are programmed to give more relevance to long-form content. The explanation for this is that long-form content is elaborate and original. As you can see, the word count in our article is a bit over 2,000 words long. Once you hit the recommended word count, you have to divide the content with numbered subheadings to make it into a list article, with separate entries. The reason why readers love list articles is that long articles are easy to read when divided in entries. Readers get the sensation that they're just reading short pieces, so they stay for longer on your content pages, increasing your site's relevance and authority. Step number 3, optimizing your images. You can add images to your blog post to achieve 2 goals: to make the content more visually appealing and to optimize the images for search. Besides, adding images in the middle of your content decreases the load of reading, which improves the user experience on your site. The optimal way to add images to your content is to add a single image in the middle of each numbered entry. Let's show you a quick example. First, separate text in an entry after the 3rd or 5th paragraph by placing the cursor at the end of the paragraph and pressing the Enter key on your keyboard. Now click on the Add Image button. Now upload or select an image from the media library. Now enter a high-volume search term or keyword on the title and alt text fields. You can also add a comment about the image or about the entry into the caption field. Now click on Select. Once an image is inserted into your content, center it by clicking on the Align Center button. Step number 4, adding tags. Tags help search engines to recognize what topics are relevant to your site, ranking your content pages for searches for those topics. Because of this, we recommend you to only use general niche keywords, phrases, and search terms that are relevant to your blog post as tags. To add tags to your post, you will simply have to click on the Document tab to click on the Tags tab, and then to enter your target keywords in the Add New Tag field. Remember to press the Enter key each time that you enter a new tag. Step number 5, setting a featured image. You can set a featured image to your post to increase visibility to image search results and to improve the visual presentation of your posts. To add a feature image, click on the Featured Image tab under Document, and then click on Set Featured Image. Now upload an image or select one from the media library. Add a high-volume search term or keyword on the title and alt text fields. Now click on the Select button. Step number 6, publishing your blog post. Finally, make sure to proofread the article, that all your images are optimized, and that your title and subheadings are engaging and coherent. Now click on the Publish button. And this is it. We recommend you to keep coming back to your blog posts so you can update them as needed.